Hey there, everybody! Welcome back to another exciting adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of road trips and camper vans. If you're like me, you probably dream of hitting the open road, exploring new places, and creating unforgettable memories. There's something magical about the freedom a road trip offers, isn't there? You know I love a good road trip. The thrill of the journey, the ever-changing scenery, and the sense of adventure that comes with every mile. Whether it's winding through mountain passes or cruising along coastal highways, the open road has a way of making you feel alive. The open road is calling. It's a siren song that beckons us to leave our worries behind and embrace the unknown. There's a world out there waiting to be discovered, and all you need is a vehicle and a sense of wanderlust. I love the idea of packing up and going wherever I want. No fixed plans, no rigid schedules, just the freedom to explore at my own pace. Imagine loading up your car with all the essentials, grabbing your favorite snacks, and setting off on a spontaneous adventure. No hotels, no schedules, just freedom and fun. But hotels are expensive. And let's be honest, they can sometimes take away from the authentic experience of a road trip. Plus, who wants to deal with the hassle of booking rooms and checking in and out? And sometimes you just want to be closer to nature. There's nothing quite like waking up to the sound of birds chirping, the smell of fresh pine, and the sight of a beautiful sunrise over a serene landscape. Camping brings you closer to the essence of the great outdoors. That's where camper vans come in. They offer the perfect blend of comfort and mobility. With a camper van, you can have the best of both worlds, exploring new destinations while having a cozy place to rest at the end of the day. They are like little homes on wheels. Imagine having your own bed, kitchen, and even a little living space, all within the confines of your vehicle. It's like taking a piece of home with you wherever you go. You can go anywhere and have everything you need. Whether you're parked by a tranquil lake, nestled in a forest, or overlooking a stunning beach, your camper van becomes your personal sanctuary. But hold on, camper vans can be pricey. The cost of buying and maintaining one can be a significant investment. And for many of us, it's just not feasible to spend that kind of money. Don't worry, I got you covered. There's a way to enjoy the camper van lifestyle without breaking the bank. With a little creativity and some DIY spirit, you can transform an ordinary minivan into a fully functional camper van. We're going to transform your minivan into a super cool camper van. It's a fun and rewarding project that allows you to customize your space to fit your needs. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional to do it. And the best part? We're doing it all for under $500. That's right, you can have your very own camper van without spending a fortune. We'll show you how to source affordable materials, repurpose items you already have, and make the most of your budget. Get ready to hit the road. With your newly converted camper van, you'll be all set for countless adventures. So buckle up, because the journey of a lifetime is just around the corner. Let's make those road trip dreams a reality. First things first, you need a comfy place to sleep. Whether you're planning a long road trip or just want a cozy spot for weekend getaways, having a comfortable bed in your minivan can make all the difference. But don't worry, you don't need to break the bank to achieve this. With a bit of creativity and some basic tools, you can build your dream bed on a budget. We're going to build a bed platform in the back of your minivan. This platform will not only provide a comfortable sleeping area, but also offer storage space underneath. Start by measuring the space where you want to place the bed. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure everything fits perfectly. It's easier than you think. With the right materials and a bit of patience, you'll have a functional and stylish bed in no time. Plus, there's a great sense of accomplishment that comes with building something yourself. You can use plywood for the base. It's strong and affordable. Plywood is a versatile material that's easy to work with, making it perfect for DIY projects like this. Make sure to choose a thickness that can support your weight comfortably. Find some 2x4s for support beams. These will provide the necessary strength and stability for your bed platform. When selecting your 2x4s, check for any warping or defects to ensure they are straight and sturdy. You can get creative and use scrap wood too. Using leftover materials not only saves money, but also adds a unique touch to your project. Look around your garage or ask friends and family if they have any spare wood lying around. Attach the support beams to the floor of your van. Make sure they are securely fastened to prevent any movement while driving. Use screws and a power drill to ensure a tight fit. Then, place the plywood on top. This will form the main surface of your bed platform. Double-check that everything is level and secure before moving on to the next step. Now you have a sturdy bed platform. Give it a good shake to test its stability. If it feels solid, you're ready to add the finishing touches. Add a comfy mattress and you're all set for sweet dreams. Choose a mattress that fits your platform perfectly and provides the level of comfort you desire. Now you have a cozy and budget-friendly bed in your minivan, ready for all your adventures. Who's hungry? No camper van is complete without a kitchen. Don't worry, we don't need fancy appliances. A simple camp stove is perfect. You can find affordable single-burner propane stoves. They are small and easy to pack. Make sure you get a propane tank too. Safety first. For cooking, pack a pot, a pan, and some utensils. You can find inexpensive ones at any camping store. Now you're ready to whip up some delicious camp meals. Okay, this part might sound a little tricky, but trust me, it's easier than you think. We're going to install a simple and budget-friendly camp toilet. You can use a bucket toilet. It's exactly what it sounds like. Just a bucket with a lid. Line it with a biodegradable bag for easy cleanup. Place the bucket toilet in a discreet corner of your van. You can even use a small privacy tent for extra privacy. Now you have a toilet on the go. Section 5. Keeping it cool with a 12-volt cooler. Whether you're planning a long road trip or a weekend camping getaway, keeping your food and drinks cool is essential. That's where a 12-volt cooler comes in handy. Road trips are more fun with cold drinks and snacks, right? Imagine cruising down the highway with your favorite tunes playing, and whenever you or your family feels thirsty or hungry, you can just reach into your cooler and grab a refreshing drink or a tasty snack. No need to stop at gas stations or fast food joints, which saves you time and money. A 12-volt cooler is a must-have for any camper van. These coolers are designed to be compact yet spacious enough to store all your essentials. They fit perfectly in the back of your minivan or camper van, making them an ideal companion for your adventures. Plus, they are energy efficient, so you don't have to worry about draining your vehicle's battery. They plug right into your car's cigarette lighter, which is super convenient. No need for complicated installations or additional power sources. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. This makes it incredibly easy to set up and use, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. You can find affordable 12-volt coolers online or at camping stores. There are various models to choose from, ranging from basic to high-end options with additional features like digital temperature control and dual compartments. Do some research and read reviews to find the best cooler that fits your budget and needs. Just make sure it's big enough for your needs. Consider how many people you'll be traveling with and how long your trips will be. A larger cooler might be necessary for extended trips or bigger groups, while a smaller one could suffice for solo travelers or short weekend getaways. You'll need some basic wiring skills for this one. If you're comfortable with DIY projects, you can easily set up your cooler to run off your car's battery. This might involve some simple wiring, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. There are plenty of tutorials and guides available online to help you through the process. Connect the cooler's wires to the positive and negative terminals of your car battery. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully to avoid any mishaps. Properly connecting the wires ensures that your cooler will function efficiently and safely throughout your trip. Oh, and don't forget to use a fuse for safety. A fuse will protect your cooler and your vehicle's electrical system from potential damage caused by power surges or short circuits. It's a small but crucial step to ensure everything runs smoothly. Now you have a portable refrigerator for all your road trip goodies. With your 12-volt cooler, you can keep your drinks cold, your food fresh, and your spirits high. It's a game changer for anyone who loves to travel and explore the great outdoors. So pack up, plug in, and hit the road with confidence, knowing that your refreshments are always within arm's reach. Section 6. Thrifty tips for a budget-friendly conversion. We're all about saving money here. There are tons of ways to make your camper van conversion even more affordable. Get creative and have fun with it. Look for used materials. Check online marketplaces or thrift stores. You can often find great deals on plywood, foam, and even camping gear. Don't be afraid to DIY. You can make curtains, storage solutions, and decorations yourself. It's a great way to personalize your camper van and save some cash. Section 7. Safety first, adventure second. Before you hit the road, make sure your camper van is safe. Safety always comes first. Check your tires, brakes, and lights. Make sure everything is in good working order. Pack a first aid kit, a fire extinguisher, and other emergency supplies. Plan your route and let someone know your itinerary. It's always a good idea to have a plan in case of emergencies. Now you're ready to roll. Section 8. Packing up your dreams and hitting the road. Congratulations! You've transformed your minivan into a fantastic camper van. Now it's time to pack your bags and hit the open road. Load up your bedding, cooking supplies, and camping gear. Don't forget your clothes, toiletries, and other essentials. Bring your sense of adventure. Choose your destination and hit the gas. Whether it's a national park, a scenic byway, or a friend's driveway, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy the freedom of the open road. Section 9. Freedom on wheels. Your camper van awaits. There you have it, your very own camper van ready for adventure. We built a cozy bed, a functional kitchen, and even a toilet, all for under $500. Remember, it's not about having the fanciest setup. It's about the journey, the experiences, and the memories you create along the way. Get out there and explore. The open road is calling. Embrace the freedom, enjoy the ride, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Happy travels, everybody!